Hello everyone, we're here to take a look at the broad analytics in your dashboard. You've got several things to take into account. The first is the environment that you are currently in. So as you can see, I'm currently on iOS, but you could choose to check the analytics for Android, website, or for your email. Then it's the period of time you're looking at. By default, it's the last 30 days, but if you click on it, as you can see, you can choose either a set period of time, like the last 90 days, current months, or so on, or just by clicking on the different date that you wish. We've got three different tabs. The first one is the audience, meaning how many people are passing by your app. Then we've got the reach, the number of users you can send communication to. And then we've got the notification. It's a recap of everything that you sent. So first, we'll take a look at the audience. As you can see, you've got the general metrics, such as the daily active users, the number of install, the number of start, it's the sessions, and the number of push that were sent. If we go a bit lower, you can see we've got the number of daily active users per day, the number of installs, the number of starts, the number of push that were sent per day, the revenue generated if you send that information into batch, the number of uninstall, and the number of rolling monthly active users. As you can see here, it's per day. But if you choose a really short period of time, I'm going to take 3 days, for example, you've got a really more precise information because you've got all these KPIs per hour. It's a really good way to see the natural peak of connections, for example. If I go back below, as you can see, you've got also a map, which allows you to see where your user are staying and where do you have the most of your user currently. So if we continue, we can take a look at the reach. Here you've got the number of total token, meaning the number of users that carry your app currently. We've got the number of total opt-ins. We've got the number of new opt-ins and the number of opt-outs per day. You can download these metrics as CSV for your analysis. Then we've got the notifications tab. It's a recap of all the notifications that you send for the given period that you are currently looking at. So as you can see here, more than 8.7 million pushes were sent. You've got the breakdown between the campaigns that were created directly from the dashboard and the transactional one that were created via API. You've got the recap of number of errors, and you have a graph that shows you how many pushes were sent, and you can easily see the days where you sent more. You've got a recap of the open rate, the direct and influence open. As a reminder, the direct opens are the user who clicked directly on the push notification, and the influenced open are the user that came by themselves in the app in a 3-hour window after receiving a push notification. We also have the notion of re-engage rate and the number of re-engaged users. As a reminder, we consider a user to be re-engaged if they were dormant or one time. And after receiving a communication or push, they came back in the app more than once in the 3 days after opening the push notification. As you can see also below, you've got a recap of everything per day. You can have it by campaign for the given period, or you can also see the number of transactional push that were sent. You can download all these information as a CSV, as you can also download them directly from campaigns and automation if you want to have a more enriched data. Here it's really to have a broad overview of everything that was sent. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video was useful. Have a good day.